I am your balloon twister, Giordano the Great, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a really cool swan. Whoa. I'm going to use a white balloon because that's traditional for swans. But anyways, take your balloon pump here and I want you to pump up your balloon. And this time for swans, I want you to leave it just enough for the swan's beak. Okay, so you're gonna blow it up and you're gonna make about, I would say 2 to 2.5 fingers, just like that, about 2 fingers right there. And that's gonna be the swan's head up here, and there's the beak. Okay, so that's easy to remember. You just need to make it the beak. Then you're gonna pinch off a little bit here, let go, and then let some air out, and not too much, but a little bit, and then tie it off. And then of course, as always, just part of what you gotta do is you gotta squeeze it and then pull it down the end like that 2 or 3 times. And now you're ready to make your swan. So the first thing is you're gonna go to the other end where the swan neck is here. So there's gonna be a little bit of a neck here, like turning out like that. So you can make the neck now or at the end. I'm just showing you how you can do that. And then what you're gonna want is you're gonna want to make the neck about, say, that long right there. So it's gonna have a nice long neck, but not too long, because you need a longer bit here to make the body. Okay, so then what you're gonna do for the body is you're just gonna twist it over till it's halfway right there. Twist the end into the neck right here, like that. Twist it around and tuck it through the middle. Bring it around the end one more time and tuck it through. And there, that's really on there nice and good. And then you're gonna wanna bring the middle up like this and bring it right up to the front and twist, basically, so you have this now. I know you might not think that's too looking like a swan, but once you do the next move, it will really look like a swan quite a bit. And the next move is to simply tuck the end in the other side like that, and then you'll see that now the swan's neck is down. So now what you do, this little part right here, you tuck it back under those so that it can go up, and then just give it a nice little tweak like that, and a little bit like that. And now you have your really beautiful, nice swan. And that's how you do that. And remember, you can learn my other balloon animals at balloonbro.com.